Kanti Ayaphokoka nkalo zonke amazwi ovelwano ngokusweleka kukaNjingalwazi Hlengiwe MKhize.
We're going to miss her courage and energy at the forthcoming local government elections. We're going to miss her in our own National Executive Committee. This is the second NEC member to have passed on under this term. You would recall that we have already buried Comrade Jackson Mthembu. We are now having to bury another NEC member. We hope that we can only find strength in the many messages of condolences, and that the family can also find comfort that the organization that Mam Hlengiwe belonged to, the ANC, is fully with them during this difficult time.
We have lost a scholar of note. She was very passionate about her work. On behalf of the United Democratic Movement, I would like to pass our condolences to her family and organization.
She was a wonderfully thoughtful and compassionate person. And true to her middle name, Buhle, she really had a beautiful soul that many of us were privileged to associate with.